In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-up in Elementor Free. Creating engaging and functional pop-ups can be a game changer for your website, helping you capture leads, promote special offers, or guide visitors with important announcements. Best of all, you can do this using the free version of Elementor and a handy plugin. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to log in to your WordPress admin dashboard, which is where all the magic begins. Once you're in, navigate to the Plugins section on the left-hand menu and click on Add New. This is where you'll find the tools you need to extend your website's functionality. In the search bar, type in Popup for Elementor by Velo. You should see it appear in the list below. Go ahead and click on the Install Now button. Once it's installed, the button will change, allowing you to activate it, so click that to enable the plugin on your site. Now that you've got the plugin set up, go to the page where you'd like your new pop-up to appear. Once there, click on Edit with Elementor. This action takes you into the Elementor interface, where you have the freedom to design and customize your pop-up. Within the Elementor Widgets panel on the left, look for the newly added pop-up widget provided by the plugin you just installed. Once you've found it, drag the pop-up widget directly onto your canvas area. This is where you'll start bringing your pop-up to life. When designing your pop-up, you have full creative control with Elementor's design capabilities. Whether it's text, images, forms, or buttons, consider what content will best engage your audience and serve the purpose of your pop-up. If you're sharing a special offer, maybe include an eye-catching graphic or a countdown timer to create urgency. Next, move to the pop-up settings, which will allow you to configure exactly how your pop-up behaves. You have several options when it comes to triggers. These could include showing the pop-up as soon as the page loads, displaying it with a slight delay, or activating it when the user is about to exit the page, known in the industry as exit intent. Additionally, you can set specific behavior controls to fine-tune user interaction. Options like allowing the pop-up to be closed with the escape key or by clicking on the overlay are really helpful for improving user experience. You can also choose to display the pop-up only once by using cookie-based settings, ensuring that it won't annoy repeat visitors. Finally, it's time to style your pop-up. Adjust the overlay color to suit your brand, choose an animation to make it pop, and play with spacing to make everything look just right. Don't forget to take one final look at your design to make sure everything is perfect. Once you're satisfied with the setup, hit Save or Update to ensure all your hard work is not lost. And there you have it. With these steps, you've created a functional and stylish pop-up using Elementor Free that will enhance the interactivity of your website.